right, we're working with a dealership that needs to quickly align to FTC regulations and the New York SHIELD Act. So let's go ahead and build out their compliance. So inside of this wizard, we're going to highlight the ones that are applicable. So in this instance, it will be the FTC requirements as well as SHIELD, which is right here. And we're going to go ahead and begin our assessment. So in this assessment, if we say that we do it, it's going to go into the controls and evidence area. If we say that we don't do it, it's going to basically identify that as a gap and go into the risk area. So we've gone ahead and completed several of these. Let's go ahead and write out what we have so far. Now that we have our answers, let's jump over to controls and evidence. And here we can see all the controls that we said that we do. And inside of these, we can provide evidence URLs, provide attestation statuses, notes, and the like. Equally, we have an ability to ingest, I believe it's over 36 different data sources or integrations. So we have the ability to quickly ingest and collect evidence from all of the integrations. Equally, that's the control side. On the opposite side is risk, and all the ones that we said that were gaps, here are the gaps, and we can go ahead and set their status, whether they're in progress, assign people to remediate, set appropriate due dates and review dates, and allows us to quickly basically drive a workflow for risk remediation. Equally, as we onboard an organization, we describe its asset size and a couple other qualifiers, and that allows us to do these Monte Carlo simulations to provide estimated annual loss should they have a breach. Equally, risk reduction, should they mitigate the top issue, what their reduction in overall potential annual risk would be. So a great way to quickly stand up not only the controls and evidence component, but equally having a risk register so that we can plan and govern and effectively mitigate risk for this organization.